So in this tutorial, I'm going to be covering how to handle cookies on the backend. So let's get started. So in your backend, okay, how do you handle cookies that get sent using something like fetch or Axios? So the way to do it is to first, I'm going to show you that in your server folder, what you're going to do is install cookie-parser, and I've already installed this, so I'm not going to do it again. So after installing this on your server side, what you're going to do is first you're going to import it in. Okay, so after you have imported in cookie-parser, you just copy this, okay, and here you actually need to do this in your index. I should have done. You can also do it here, just so you know. You can do it here. It's just better to have it at the root level. So I'm just gonna add this here, and then here what you're gonna do is copy this and add it here. And if you're doing it in router.js, you just need to add router dot and then use and then this. Okay, that's all you need to do, like this. Okay, so when you do this, here what you need to do is quest dot cookies. Okay, and then just save. And here I'm just going to add some cookies, and then this is going to have the user ID. I'm gonna make it equal to 1, and name is going to be John. Okay, and I'm gonna send this. This is the problem. Okay, now it will work. There we go. I'm getting the user ID, and okay, now it's working. I added a dash instead of an equal to sign. That's why it didn't work. Okay, my bad. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting both of my cookies in this object inside this using request.cookies, and this is how you work with cookies. Because let's say I didn't add this, right? Let's say, for example, I didn't think of adding this, and then I did this. You will see it's undefined, and in my headers you will see that I am still getting my cookies, okay, as a header. But the problem with that is that I manually need to go in, separate them, and then get this information out of them, okay, and put that into like an object or something like that. So what cookie-parser does is it handles all of that for me. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.